Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It is a brand new month. We are officially in the month of November, which means a brand new glam bag and Glam Bag Plus. One of my favorite things about the glam bags is that every month there's a different theme, and I always get really excited to see what the theme is going to be for the next month. But for this month, it's all about being present and just being thankful for the things that we have. Obviously, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. We are in November. I can't believe that we're already in November. This year has gone by so fast. I did a little sampling. I already tried some of the products because I got my bags about 2 days ago. So I really think you guys are going to like this month's bag because there's a lot of popular brands in here. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the brands that I'm going to show you guys in here, or just any of these products. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started because there's a lot of good things in here. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the glam bag. The glam bag is $12 a month, and it's very simple this month. It's very neutral with a little pop of color. So the first thing that came in the bag this month is this lip slip oil by Tarte. I actually already tried this and I really like this a lot. It's very glossy on the lips, but it doesn't feel sticky at all. I'll try a little bit just so you guys can see. Obviously I already have lip gloss on, but so as you can see, it's just very glossy and it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it smells so good. It does have a little bit of tint to it, but it's not very noticeable at all. So you can wear this like as a lip topper or just on its own. I really like it a lot on its own, especially if I'm not wearing a lip color. I can just throw this on really quickly. And I have tried other lip oils in the past, but I think this is probably my favorite one. It smells so good. I can't get over the smell. It honestly smells really good. So up next we have another mini gloss. This one is by Anastasia and it's in the color Moon Jelly. This is a really nice iridescent color, and I've actually tried Anastasia glosses in the past and they're pretty pigmented, so a little bit of this goes a really long way. So because it's iridescent, it'll be really nice as a topper, or you can wear it on its own. It'll look really nice. It'll just give you a little bit of sparkle to your lip if you wear it on its own. I like that it's mini size, so you can just put it into your bag and go. So very travel friendly. I like that. So up next, I'm going to show you guys probably one of my favorite things that I received. This is Tatcha the Deep Clean Cleanse. So this is a face cleanser, and this stuff works like a charm. It's amazing. I've tried it already well, I've been using it for the past 2 days since I got my boxes. I've been using it day and night. It does have exfoliating beads, but they're very soft, so it's not going to irritate your skin. So I think it's pretty safe to use every day. And yeah, so far I'm really liking this a lot. I really do feel like I get that deep clean cleanse, especially because it has a little exfoliating beads in here. And a little bit of this goes a very long way. I learned that the first day that I tried it. So we have 2 things left in the glam bag. So up next, I'm going to show you guys the IPSY Rock Out Lash Out Mascara. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried a mascara with a brush tip like this, so I'm pretty excited to try this out, see how it works. But yeah, again, this is the IPSY Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. So the last thing that I got in my glam bag is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So this one says it's a calming and hydrating moisturizer. I haven't tried anything by them. I know they're really known for their watermelon line. I think they have like a watermelon mask or something like that. Like I said, I haven't tried any of their stuff before, so I'm not exactly sure. But I do know they have watermelon products that are really popular. So I'm excited that they included this in here so I can finally try their stuff out. So up next we have the Glam Bag Plus, and this one is $25 a month. Again, same concept. The bag is pretty simple, just a pop of color with the blue. So when I first opened this bag, one of the first things that I saw was another mascara sample. This one really caught my eye because it has a mascara obviously, but at the end it has a eyelash curler. So I thought this was really cool because normally I'll carry around my mascara and my eyelash curler, but this, you don't have to do that. There's 2 in 1 literally. So let me show you guys what the mascara looks like first. Oh, by the way, this is by Tristique, and yeah, it's a mascara with an eyelash curler. So the wand is pretty thin and it does pinch in a little bit at the center and then kind of get a little thicker at the outer corners. But let me show you guys the main attraction of what caught my eye in this little tool. So it's the eyelash curler. So the eyelash curler is right at the top of the handle, and it says here flip down to curl. So when you flip it down, it curls your lashes, which is really cool. So again, you just pull down here and then it curls your lashes in there. I'm pretty impressed, I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited to try this out. I haven't tried it out. So I'll let you guys know how this works. Maybe I'll do like a little pin in the comment section after I try this. Hopefully I like it because like I said, I like carrying my mascara around, but I don't really like carrying a mascara and an eyelash curler. So if this works well, then I'll let you guys know in the comments. Also, I do want to mention that some of the items don't have packaging anymore because I already tried them. Like this moisturizer, I already tried it. I've been using it for the past 2 days, so there's no box for it. I already threw it out. But this is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This stuff works like a charm. My skin is so smooth and it feels so hydrated after using this. And one thing that I'm always afraid of when I'm trying new moisturizers is how they're going to sit underneath my makeup. Sometimes moisturizers, when they're too thick, they can kind of move your makeup around. But this one doesn't do that, which I really like. So I can wear it comfortably underneath my makeup and I know that my makeup is not going to move. And I'm wearing it actually right now underneath my makeup and it doesn't move it at all. So I like that a lot. And also it is really hydrating as well, and it does live up to its name. It's definitely very milky. It doesn't smell like anything, just like a regular cream would. So I like that as well, because sometimes when creams have a scent to them, they can be a little overwhelming. But this one, I like that it doesn't have a scent to it at all. But yeah, this is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, and I love this. I give this a 10 out of 10 already. It's pretty good. Okay, so up next we have the, I think this is pronounced either Farah or F-A-R-A-H. But I got 2 things from this brand this month, and I'll show you guys the other things that I got as well. So this brush kit is really cool because it has all your basic brushes that you would need to create your essential eye look. So since I'm talking about the brand, I do want to show you guys the other stuff that came in here as well from the same brand. So these are 3 liquid lipsticks, and I believe these are fairly new as well, or I think they're like fairly new shades. And this is in the shade Tiffany. This is a really nice mauve shade. The next shade that I got is called Farah, and this is such a pretty red. And then lastly we have the shade Cocoa, and this looks exactly like its name. It's a really nice cocoa color. It looks very brown, very nice. I haven't worn a liquid lip in such a long time. I've been all about glosses recently, so I'm glad that I got those so I can finally try something a little different. So up next we got an eyeshadow palette, and this is by the brand Violet Voss. I've actually tried their palettes before and they're pretty good. Let me open it up so I can show you guys what it looks like. So you have your neutrals, and then you have, I think, 1 shimmer shade in here, and everything else is matte. And then you have 2 pops of color of corals. So this is fun. This is something that I think would be really fun during the summertime because it does have the pop of corals. But also this is a palette that you can wear year round because you do have your neutrals in here and then your 1 shimmer shade. And again, this is by the brand Violet Voss. And then lastly we have this brush. Again, I already opened it, so I don't have the little net for it anymore. But this is by MOTD and it's called A Perfect 10. So if you've watched any of my recent makeup tutorials, then you would know that these brushes are my favorite to apply my face powder with. I always use one of these to just swirl in my powder and then just dust all over my face. They're so big and they're very quick, and I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. I don't wash mine as often as I should, so I'm glad that I have another as backup, so whenever my other one is dirty I can use a brand new one without having to wash my other one. So yeah, I'm very happy that I got another one to add to my collection of brushes. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Ipsy Glam Bags, I'll go ahead and put their link down below in the description box so you guys can check them out, read a little more information on them, and sign up to receive your own glam bag and glam bag plus. So thank you guys again for tuning in and watching this video. If you guys liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.